Okay, Jackson, over the falls. Go!
There's rocks there. My feet are in the road. Watch where you're going.
Very pushy, that carrot. Not very choice, but follow it.
Jackson, get back by me. So we go back Put, steer us over that way. Jackson. Is there steps to get out over here?
Yeah. But I'm going the hard way. Okay?
No, you come with me. You can get out down there later. Come with me. Because you'll have to help me out with all the camera and that.
I'm not even moving now. Well, yeah, but I'm not.
Rocks. More rocks. Sorry. We're all here together. Yeah, I know.
I've got a rock. Get something else, Rebecca.
Rock got me.